Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. If you are watching this video, you are currently working on Station A, which is your teacher check-in / format checklist. So at this point, you've already completed your teacher check-in with me, and I've gone over your project with you in hopes to make sure that there aren't any major errors and that anything that might need to be fixed during your asynchronous time will be fixed at that point. So in this station, what you're going to be doing as a group is looking over each other's project and looking for things such as, is the Google site in 12-point font Times New Roman double space? Is the Google site easy to navigate? Are there pictures for each article? Are there 2 obituaries and / missing posters? Are there 2 advertisements? Does the Google site have a title? Does each article have a title and author? Do the articles have in-text citations? Are the citations correct? So you should use this checklist to help go through and make changes to your projects. Look at your teammates' projects, go through this checklist, and make a list for yourself of things that you will need to change when we are asynchronous. Alrighty guys, if you could do that, that would be great, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.